Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode. Today we have a very random video. So in today's vlog, we're going to be going to the Alameda Naval Base. We're going to meet up with Sel. He drives the black Mustang, and we're going to meet up with another guy. He might come through. We don't know. We're going to put the bag here. Nice and snug. Go. Any moment now. Okay, cool, it's green. All right, let's see. Moments away from Josh's house. Okay, so some of you guys may have noticed the check engine light by now. So why that is, it's because of my flash tune. I got the Y-Stick Flash Stage 2 tune, and that's apparently causing the check engine light. Also gotta get gas.
What's going on?
What's up, Josh?
You got space in your trunk?
Yeah, I got space in my trunk. Open it up. Hop in, bro.
Good, chilling.
So right now what we're gonna do is gas. Because I'm all out. Alright, now it's getting gas. Alright, Josh, let's get out of here.
Oh, I pulled you behind us.
Yeah, and there are people looking at me hella funny.
So loud. K-band.
Alright. Now we're on the way. Alright guys, we're entering the bridge right now. We're gonna downshift. 5, 4, 3, 2. So guys, just imagine when I take out the cats on this car. It's gonna sound even louder. I was gonna say but I don't know if that's allowed on YouTube. But yeah, sooner or later I'm gonna take out the cats, and hopefully sometime in 2021 we're gonna do our headers. So it's gonna sound amazing, and we're gonna do some test runs under the bridge. Alright guys, so like we're now in Oakland heading to Alameda, and we've been dealing with traffic on traffic on traffic since SF. We're about to enter the bridge. No, not the bridge, the tunnel any moment now. We're right now behind this Cayenne. Alright, Josh, we're almost close.
Let's go.
Like that just as much as me. I'm putting my own acid wallet on the line here. Dude, it's crazy how far I can go here. Like, it's pretty wide. Huh? Can we go in there though? Alright guys, so we finally made it to the Alameda Air Base. It's actually pretty empty, as you can see here. So we have this big open land, and over here you got the big, you have a pretty good view of the city. So as you can see over there, SF's over there, and we're pretty much across the bridge. And right now what I'm going to do is just going to take out the drone and see what we can get from a bird's eye view. Man, what have you done to the car?
What I've done so far, it has Shorty's Rentec headers. Then I believe it has a tune already. It has a cutout valve, and a resonator delete.
A resonator delete. These look like these grip.
Oh, they for sure grip. I'm not gonna lie to you.
God damn.
But from a dig, it ain't not worth it.
Not worth it?
No, you gotta get some better tires, so that's why I got some better tires. Talking grip. I have a couple of people I want to raise off a dig. Because he keeps talking his smack.
Oh, talking smack?
He hasn't called me out or anything, but you know, I'm just trying to prepare myself before I do that.
Yeah, yeah.
He opened up the valves for you.
Oh, please. Is it that switch right there?
Yeah.
Oh, show me, man. Oh, sorry, Josh. That sounds freaking amazing. I like the way it sounds. One thing I've noticed though, wait, what are these here? I've never seen those before in a car. The little pipes.
Yeah, they basically just directional tubes. You can adjust them however you want.
Okay.
So yeah.
A few moments later.
Who's here? Oh no, shit. Oh,
That was smooth.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, dude? Good entrance, right?
Yeah, good entrance. I liked it.
Hey, no, bro, what's up, man?
See you, man. Nice entrance.
Right on, dude. Just chilling.
Yeah. I want you to meet friend Josh.
Good friend here. What's up, Josh?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, brother.
What's
Salute.
up, man? How
What's
you
good,
doing?
bro? How you doing? I seen that 63. What's up, dude?
All right, let's go, man. Let's start this up.
Expand.
All right, guys. So what we're gonna be doing right now is we're gonna be going to a spot in this place. To be honest, I don't even know what to call it. All right, you got it?
Okay, go that way.
All right, let's go. Hey. So I'm hearing something concerning with the car. So like as soon as I'm pressing on the brake just slightly, I'm hearing like a weird squeaking sound. Okay, so new update, it's not making the sound anymore. I want to say that's good, but at the same time, I want to say that's also bad because the fact that it came on. We're just gonna have to see how it plays out when over time when we're driving it. But let's hope it's nothing too bad, like lifters. Jeez. Alright guys, a few hours in and we're just taking pictures. It's such a nice day out. We have a nice view of the ships. We're taking pictures of our 3 cars. Just look at that. The Mustang in the middle and the two C63s on each side, basically sandwiching the car. So we've been basically just enjoying this day. Basically just kind of just taking pics, deciding what looks nice. Imagine though, if we all had our own chips. A lot of maintenance.
Be hella freezing.
What you guys doing?
Nothing much, just taking pictures here.
Chilling.
What is you doing?
I'm vlogging, bro.
The vlog.
He's like this. Ciao.
Ciao.
It costs money. You want to do burnouts? Okay.
Nah, I'm cool.
I want to do it.
If I do a burnout, definitely something's breaking.
What do you want? This? Or you?
I just passenger seat.
Hey, sir. Where are we going? All right, for sure.
Going over there? All right, cool. All right. Just gonna put this right here.
Expand. GPS.
Go. All right. Yeah.
Why? You can do it over there, they won't care. You do it over here, security will call cops on you.
Oh shit.
Yeah, right? He knows where it's at. Honestly, just don't do it over here. They will fuck with you. Like this particular spot, because you're right by the Hornet. That's an instant cop call, and they will swarm you and shut off the area.
You go on that side?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
He's a cool guy. So, long story short, we can't really drive or drift in that area just because it's right next to the Hornets. If we do anything stupid, they will instantly call the cops on us and have the area down. So we obviously don't want that to happen. So what we're gonna do is just move to another spot where the guy told us where it's safe and just f around. Hey, we go over there? Okay.
A few moments later.
We're finally here, you guys, as we were over there about a couple minutes ago, and they just told us to kindly head over here just because it would be less of an issue with the cops and stuff, so yeah. Hey, was it you that made the pop earlier?
The big ass pop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Come on, bro.
Done it. Nice to meet you, Juan. What you done to your car?
Nothing really, to be honest.
Oh, nice.
I just got an intake and no cats, that's all.
No cats?
Yeah.
It's loud.
Bro, scared the shit out of me, bro. I was not expecting that shit.
Yeah, that's a nice car.
So, what's your name? Juan. So, nice to meet you, bro.
I almost accelerated right into that big fucking thing right there.
That's why I break that little heart rate. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I didn't see that either. I like this place. You should come in more often. Alright guys, check this out. So right now what we have is the Mustang, the C63, the Corvette, another C63.
In the morning I was
It was like,
Challenger,
but louder, like.
another Mustang. That was crazy. It scared me though. That car scared me.
Insane, bro. Insane.
We got a lot of cars, so you know what that means. Drone shot. Alright guys, so what we got going on right now is we're gonna do a race between human and drone.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh!
The drone one, it just took a little bit for it to pick up.
Yeah. You were getting it? You were getting it?
You got
The drone's coming this way.
You got the dig.
I don't know.
So you had to hear the drone one secretly.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we got another contestant. We just saw the Corvette swing, now we're gonna see the Mustang swing. Let's see how it goes. Pray to God. Don't crash.
That is not bad, bro. That is
At
not
least
bad.
he didn't crash.
Yeah, that's true. Ah, bitch.
I'm sorry, dude.
My turn.
You wanted to do it.
Es que se me fue la transmisión.
That's your
Hey, no, just hit mine, bro. I'll get my 06 faster.
It's like, it's alright, dude. You said you need new tires anyways. It's cool. How was that?
That was fun, dude. I fucking spin way too much. You see that?
Yeah. Did you ever try it on first gear?
I did first gear.
No, before though.
Oh, not before, after they
Yeah,
told me.
when you do first gear, it's
Yeah,
hella
but
different.
fuck. It spins way too much.
Oh yeah, that's the point.
He's gonna do it again?
I don't know.
Round.
He was out of there. He was out of there.
I got
was
hella
that?
fucking tired. My mouth.
Think you can compete with that?
Ah, not yet. Give it a couple months. Look at that. That's like $10 right here.
It's like more than that. Those tires are worth so much more than? Yeah.
They were 400 each.
Yeah.
Right about.
Just about right. Alright guys, well today I hope you enjoyed the video. Right now we've got enough footage, we got enough cars doing burnouts, we got a lot of smoke, we got a lot of everything. Hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe, like, leave a share, anything that helps. Thank you very much. Have a nice one.